So in our last section we have seen the ID3 algorithm, and now we will see the types of decision tree. So the types of decision tree, the first, what is decision tree? Decision tree is nothing but the structure where the particular branch node is representing the choice between the number of alternatives, and each node represents the what is the decision, and it is the supervised learning algorithm which is used in the various classification algorithm. So there are basically two types of decision trees which are based on target variable we have. So according to that, there are two types, that is categorical variable decision tree, and the second one is continuous variable decision tree. So both of them depends on the type of variable. So the first one is categorical variable decision tree. So decision tree which has a categorical target variable is called as categorical variable decision tree. Means, for example, suppose we are having a scenario where the students are having some problem. So the target variable is student will play cricket or not, and what will be the output of it? Either they will play cricket or they will not play cricket. Means what? The outcome is in format of yes or no. So the target variable is student will play cricket or not. So that is giving us category, and that's why it is called as the categorical decision tree, because it has the categorical target variable. And the second one is continuous variable decision tree. So the decision tree which has continuous target variable is called as the continuous variable decision tree. So for that we will see one example. So let's say we have a problem to predict whether the customer will pay his renewal premium with an insurance company. So what will be the outcome for that? Either yes or no. So here we know that the income of customers is a significant variable, but the insurance company does not have income details for all the customers. Right, we know that the insurance company does not have income details of each and every customer. Now as we know this is an important variable, then we can build the decision tree to predict the customer income based on occupation, product and other various variables. So in this case we are predicting the values for the continuous variables. So that is the continuous variable decision tree. Means what, we are having the problem that customer can pay the renewal premium or not with the insurance company. Now the thing is that each and every customer's income details we are not having. So in this, what can be done? That the tree can be done by predicting its income, customer's income, that is based on occupation, product and other variables. So that is called as the continuous variable decision tree, because all these variables are in continuous manner. In categorical variable decision tree, what was there? The categorical target variable is there. Whatever target variable you are having, category is specified, and according to that we are getting the outcome. And in continuous variable decision tree, what is the target variable? It is the continuous target variable. That's why it is called as the continuous variable decision tree. So these are the basic two types of decision trees which are based on the target variable. So in our next section we will see the important terminologies that are related to the decision trees. Thank you.